We're going to learn how to replace an outlet. First, go to your power box and make sure to shut off the power to the outlet. Then, with a receptacle tester or a lamp, check to make sure that there is no longer power going to the outlet. Now, with a flathead screwdriver, you can remove the faceplate. Remove the top and bottom 6x32 machine thread bolts. You can now pull the power box out. At the bottom we have the strap or yoke. On the right we have the black wires, those are the hot wires. And on the left we have the white wires, those are the neutral wires. And finally we have the ground wire with the green bolt, and that does not have insulation on the wire. Go ahead and loosen the black right side bolt. And loosen the white neutral side. Finally, remove the ground. Be aware that most residential code requires tamper-proof outlets. Now with the wire stripper, strip away some of the insulation from the black wire if needed. Take a needle nose plier and kink the wire into a hook, and you can insert it around the golden bolt. Tighten the golden bolt so that the wire loops all the way around the bolt. Make sure that there is no insulation touching the bolt. Do the same with the neutral side and connect it to the silver bolt. Hook the ground wire and insert it around the green bolt and tighten it down. Put the outlet back into the box and tighten the 6x32 bolts. You can now put the faceplate back on and turn the power back on. And check with your receptacle tester or lamp.